Hi there, It's me, Butter Warrior, with another review on Pixel Gun 3D. And today we're gonna be having a review on the AK-48 up 2. Yes, oh my gosh, who's there? Now against the Dragon's Breath, there's no chance for it winning. Now I'm just hoping that I'll find some way to kill. So up, come on, where are? There you are. And that dude isn't on my team, so let's just get up there, kill him. Okay, so this dude, I can definitely kill him with this very quickly, as I thought. Just as I... Okay, so let me just get in there, behind him, while he was killing himself. Now this gun is really good. I prefer you buy it, like, really good. I have a gun. It's a okay, I see ya. Why does everybody have the freeze ray rifle? Like, really? Why? God damn it. I don't know what's it called again. God, I don't even want to buy it. I have 3 new guns for you. You see already one. That's in my specials. It's an upgrade. Okay, Dragon's Breath versus Dragon's Breath. And because there were 2 people. And we killed him. Well, Eddie did. Just standing right. Okay, get him. Okay, I got him. Why am I getting no kills? I'm getting kills still. Okay, I see one. Now where did he go? I don't know, I don't care. Let's just continue with the review, yeah. There he is. That little Dragon's Breath. Let's go back on red team. This is a 3-minute match and we got 30 kills. Wow. Like, the AK-48 is a really good gun. Oh shit. What? Let's make another side of an approach. Shit. Okay, somebody killed him. Yay, we got him. So the AK-48 is a really good gun, shoots fast and everything. It's one of the better guns, actually. Now this guy is getting my nerve with his freaking freeze rifle. I hate the breed. I'm just, oh my gosh. Stand still. William! Ah, got him from the air. Got him from the air. Got him. These people are so cheap. Okay, I see one. Sorry, I gotta use this. Or maybe not. Got him. The AK-48 is so good of a gun. Okay, there's somebody here. Okay, nobody's here. Good. Shit. Oh! AK-48 versus Elephant Hunter. Bam! Bam, what? Gorilla Rifle versus Elephant Hunter. Oh my gosh, it actually beat it. Haha, you better buy it. And it's not even fully upgraded and it beat it. Like, wow. Know how much effort it is into this guy. Oh my gosh, he doesn't even see. I got him again. Ah, he got me. Woo! We're doing great. Doing great. Red team again. Let's just go down there. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Who got the kill? Oh, I didn't get it. Well, that's not a big deal. It's not like the only kill. Like, damn, we can't even hit him. Ah, the Dragon's Breath versus the Gorilla Rifle. Not a good one. But today we're doing the review on this gun, so let's stop it. I got the kill, I think. Yay, I got a kill. Try to nap. Ooh. I think I got the kill again. Yes, I did. Now what I'm gonna do? Okay. And its mobility is pretty high. No. No, the glitch. Ah! No! Let me show you its stats. So the stats are these. I prefer this over the Crystal Laser Cannon and the Hellraiser. If you don't have enough money for the Hellraiser to upgrade, that is. Otherwise, you're good. Now, where did this dude hide? Okay, just got him. Haha. No. He's got a good partner. Oh no, he's got a good partner. Oh no, definitely. Oh no, don't push him back towards me. Ah! He's got ruby armor. That's like seriously no fair. Ah! Oh my gosh. No, not the glitch, not the glitch. Not now. Not now. No, no, no. Are you serious? Like, wow. Just lucky, I guess. No, yeah, I'm not against a hacker. Weepy. I wonder if I got it. What? There's no hacker. How? What's he shooting me through the wall? What the hell? Help. 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 Who's shooting at me that fast? Why does everybody hack the game? Or something like that. Cause they, all of them, have the freaking free rifle. Like what the hell is going on with this game? I'm just trying to play it normally and everybody here has the freeze way. And that somehow scoped to me. Like really? Why you hack, bruh? Get it. Get him. Get him. Get him. Come on, Dragon's Breath. Dragon's Breath. Dang it! Hacker! Shh. I think that was a glitch. I think I can make it. I didn't want to risk it because I want the ammo. Oh, thanks for the kill. Ah, suckless. No, who's hitting me? But what? Like, really? Hope for a kill. Hope for a kill. What? That glitch? Or that bad Wi-Fi glitch? Die! 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 Ah, no. He actually dodged it. Well, this is turning off great so far. I wanna kill him. How does he kill me faster? Freaking question. I meet always the hackers. Like, really, everybody here has a Dragon's Breath. Okay. That girl's scaring me. Haha. So this is the end. This was the review for the AK-48. I hope you liked it. See you next time with the Gorilla Rifle.